Hi all, welcome back to Learning Partner. So again, as you all know, there are so many AI tools, and as a software developer, doesn't matter you are a .NET developer, Angular, React, Vue, Next, Java, we have to be worried about what tools are there, what tools are used for, right? Let's say nowadays, if you are working, you might be knowing that every company is asking us to do the certification. So I also have to do a certification, that is AI 102. This is a Microsoft certification which is focused on the AI. So it's not easy. Even if you are not in that, agent, how do you create agent? What are LLM model? How does and this is from Microsoft, so they have Azure services, so they ask questions on that. This is not easy. Again, but they have a syllabus. Going through syllabus also, it is not guaranteed that I will be able to clear it, because I tried going through all the syllabus, but when I got the dumb syllabus and dumps were totally different. No questions. I was miss hardly 20 to 30% I was able to relate yeah, this was from that syllabus. Then I found the channel, that where so many channels are there, people who have cleared the intro, they have shared the question, what type of question they are asking, what are the options we are getting. These are the real. Again, these are from dumps only, but they are explaining how questions are there, how you have to and do analysis, which can be the proper option, because some are confusing also, right? So now I was studying. Now there are so many, if you can see, there are so many dumps on here. Now I wanted to, every time if I go over here, you can see this guy, this is one channel is explaining the question and the options we have and what is the correct one. Everything it is mentioned. Now I don't want to waste my time going through this many. Let's say this video is around 20 minutes. So all the videos are 20 to 30 minutes. You can see. Now instead of doing that, we have a notebook LLM, Google application we have, right? So what is the purpose of this? So this application mainly helps us for our learning. Let it be any type of learning. Let's say you want to learn some particular topic, you ask it, it will provide you a proper learning thing. Even ChatGPT also will do the same thing. But Notebook LLM is an AI which is only focused on the learning purpose, right? Now see here only it is saying research, thinking partner, grounded information, right? So again, it's an AI model only, right? So I have clicked on over here. Now one purpose of it, okay? Let's click on create new. Now what I need, what is my requirement? So this is the video. What I need, whatever the questions are over here and what are the options and what is the correct one, I need a notepad of that. Then I will be using it to provide it to my web application, where I can give the MCQ. I'm going to create that also. But before that, I need the data, right? For creating an MCQ application, then I should be able to test my knowledge. So I need the data. So that data is here, right? So I will copy this URL. I will put it over here. Then I will wait, drop your file. Here we can drop it. Let's insert our URL. It is now understanding what it is. Yeah, we have, why it is giving icon. The video can be transcript not available. Wait, transcript is not there for this video. Just let me check. Let me go back to the new prompt, create new. I think it is trying to find if the transcript is provided. Now it has found the transcript. Okay. Now, so it is able to understand what is there in that video. Now we will write our prompt. Okay. This video has all questions for a AI 102 certification. Provide so we will ask it to provide question, what options are there and which one is Correct. Right? This is what we need. So it has already understood what context, whenever we write a prompt, you have to provide a context. So context is nothing but this. You provided the context, see what is going on, right? So this video has all the question for AI 102 certification. Now provide questions, mention there what options are there and which one is correct. Okay, let's try to ask it now. If it is able to understand what content is there, it will get us all the question and the options. See, analyze which computer vision library is used to analyze the image description. Let's see in the video. See, which computer vision library, client library is used to analyze the image description, tags, categories, and the color. So see, got it? Correct answer is visual feature description. Again, it is not, this AI tool is not getting that answer. Whatever is paying, whatever he has provided over here, that is only getting it. So like this, so many use cases are there. Let's say you have a PDF, right? Let's say you are preparing for an Angular interview and you got a PDF, and that PDF has all the question and the answer. Now you need it properly in a formatted way. Upload it over here. It will go through everything and it will get you a properly, it can create a graphs also, mind map, something mind map is there. It will create, tree kind of diagram. So many things are there. It can create a quiz also. Whatever the questions are over here, it can create a quiz also. You have the data, you have question and option, and it knows the correct answer. So with the help of this data, it can help you to create a quiz also. Got it? Audio description. Let's say you want the audio text of it. So you click on over here and you get the audio. Right? See, Hindi also and other languages also are supported over here. Got it? So you might have seen some videos where voice is automated, right? AI voice. So many tools like this are there. Okay. So this NotebookLM application is very helpful for your learning. Doesn't matter you are learning a new technology, you are preparing for any exam, certification, this will be a very good tool for your analysis. Yeah, ChatGPT you might be using, but there is a limitation what ChatGPT can perform. It's a very generalized model, but this is focused on learning only. Okay. So I hope this video was helpful to you. One more video will be I will be doing. So whatever the data I get, by using this data, I will be creating an MCQ application where I will be giving that test. So that a process of whole thing, that how I create that MCQ application, that I will be again record. So you can see that in the coming days. Thank you. If you are new, please do like and subscribe and join the video description. You will be finding a link of my WhatsApp group. You can join that. Thank you.